The second product on this list is the OWC Drive Dock. The OWC Drive Dock is a versatile and high-performance tool designed for quick and easy access to multiple hard drives. It features USB-C connectivity, providing speeds of up to 522 megabytes per second, making it an excellent option for reading 3.5 inches and 2.5 inches bare drives simultaneously. Whether you're using a Mac or PC, this dock is fully compatible with both platforms, making it ideal for a wide range of users. One of the standout features of the OWC Drive Dock is its independent power switches for each drive. This allows users to operate multiple drives at the same time without interfering with each other. It also has an internal power supply that ensures universal compatibility, providing reliable power to your drives when in use. The dock comes with a variety of accessories, including USB 3.1 Gen 2 and USB 3.1 Gen 1 cables, as well as a power cable. The dual base solution ensures that you can access two drives simultaneously, saving time and increasing efficiency. With its sturdy build and simple design, the OWC Drive Dock is an ideal solution for those who need to manage multiple drives regularly. However, the product does have a few downsides. It only supports bare drives, so users need to be cautious when handling them to prevent damage. Additionally, the dock size may not be ideal for those with limited space, as it occupies a fair amount of desk room.